Asus TUF FX505 is the latest gaming laptop from Asus, and it's like the OnePlus 60 of smartphones. It comes with top-end specs and starts at a price of Rs 80,000. We're going to take a look at the laptop in this video. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so by clicking the link below. Let's get started. The Asus TUF FX505 comes with amazing build quality. It's military grade certified, which means it can take drops and it will work in extreme temperatures and pressure levels. It also comes with vibration resistance, and all of that package is not very heavy. I mean, the laptop looks quite thick and bulky, but it's about 2.2 kgs. Not very heavy when it comes to gaming laptops, of course. Although the laptop does not have very amazing cooling system compared to the ROG laptops that come with dedicated cooling systems and thus are quite bulky. But then the FX505 also is not priced that much. It's about a fraction of cost at which you'll get top-end ROG laptops. Now there are some areas where metal has been used, like the lid cover and the keyboard area where you will rest your hands. But we'll also take a look at the styling of this laptop. It's very exquisite and very unique. For a gaming laptop, this seems to be designed in a very beautiful fashion. Not only from the outside, but also from the inside. When you open the lid, you'll see the keyboard is nicely placed around the hand resting space, and you also get a good hand resting space at that. The touchpad is also quite big, and when you take a look at the display, it also has quite thin bezels. So the FX505 is not just a traditional gaming laptop, it also comes with latest styling and latest advanced technologies. So it's not just a traditional thick and bulky gaming laptop, you do get some nice advanced features. The keyboard is quite nice. It has very good haptic feedback, although the key travel is not very deep for a gaming keyboard. The keys are quite soft, and the backlighting on them makes them look very beautiful. You can switch between static, breathing, color cycle and strobing light patterns, which look quite cool. And having a big size, this laptop is able to accommodate a numpad also, although the numeric keys are quite small and at times might be difficult to use. But the transparent WASD keys is also a nice touch to the keyboard. The touchpad also has a very big area and helps while you are surfing the internet or doing daily multitasking. The speakers are placed on either side of the laptop and delivers stereo sound, but via headphones it can deliver 7.1 Dolby True Sound audio, and that we found was very amazing while gaming. Also, the back panel is sealed and the battery is not user removable. But the next great thing about this laptop is the display. It's a 15.6-inch IPS panel that has amazing brightness levels, and you'll see the viewing angles on it are amazing. Many laptops we've seen in the 50 to 60,000 rupee price range have this problem. They don't offer you great viewing angles, but this is not the case. The resolution is full HD, and you'll see the color reproduction is amazing. It has deep black levels and a very sharp contrast. But one unique thing that is rare to find in this price segment is 144 Hz refresh rate, and that comes in really handy while you're playing games. I mean, fast action games require the screen to be refreshed at a very fast rate. A usual 60 Hz display doesn't give you that very smooth feel while you're gaming, and that is where the FX505 excels. While gaming, you'll see it's tremendously smooth and action happens without any lag, and there's no ghosting effect as well. But what's running the game is the high-end configuration packed inside the laptop. You get a Core i5 chipset on the base variant with the Nvidia GeForce 1050 Ti graphics card. The variant we used comes with Core i7 chip with 16 GB of RAM, and the graphics card on it is the top-end Nvidia 1060 with 6 GB of RAM. I mean, that configuration itself is huge for any game to play, and that is clearly visible when you're playing graphic intensive titles like the Call of Duty Black Ops, Far Cry, or even the Formula F1. We did not encounter any lags or stutters during the gameplay, but yes, the fan noise was quite annoying. The FX505 no doubt has big vents, and it appears that it would be putting out heat quite fast, and it does a good job, but not the best. We see within an hour of gaming, the laptop starts to get hot, and the fan noise is quite considerable. The FX505 has a 3-cell battery that gives you 2 hours of continuous gaming, or about 3.5 to 4 hours of general usage, which is not great compared to general use laptops that deliver about 7 hours of usage or even more at times. Now the boot up on FX505 is very fast, and so is the file transfer, and the reason for that is a dedicated SSD and a hybrid storage that this laptop has. So the FX505 is an amazing piece of equipment. Yeah, it's slightly heavy and thick, and it's built like a traditional laptop, although it doesn't look like one, but you'll feel that it is a great value for money device, not only because it has amazing specs to offer, but it's built in a very wholesome manner. It offers not just great specs, but a great display to go with, an amazing keyboard, touchpad and other stuff paired to the overall package. Let us know what you think about the FX505 in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.